What's up? It's your boy Carcino here, and let's talk about it. It's about time. And when I say it's about time, that's exactly what I mean. This is supposed to happen a long time ago, very long time ago. And I'm very happy that things are falling in place right now. And what I mean is that it's really crazy that everybody in the Philadelphia world been saying this, and I was saying it. But I understand Meek's position probably at the time wasn't good for him to just start coming after people, or at least the judicial system. But I thought from a standpoint, like, man, when people gonna say, look, what's wrong with the judicial system? They got to see that this is messed up, and nobody's saying nothing. So Meek finally takes to Instagram and addressed the situation and went towards the Pennsylvania judicial system about Judge Janice Brinkley and how he's been treated. And he's like, it's really crazy that everybody in Philadelphia legal who really knows what's going on, nobody's saying anything. A new trial would mean case dismissed because the DA's office don't want to fight my case because I was arrested by a dirty cop and was illegally arrested and wrongfully convicted in 2007. The same case I served over 3 years in jails for, and 10 years later, they're trying to give me a 4 year sentence for popping a wheelie. The crazy part is some people have been released because of this cop's testimony. Out of 1,500 people who got back in court because of this cop's one, 1,499 cases were taken from the original judge and placed in front of President Judge Wood Skipper. My case is the only one still in front of my original judge and being denied, which is holding thousands of others back from freedom because of this dirty cop who has been proven to be corrupt. I can't speak directly on it, but everyone from legal world knows boundaries have been crossed to attempt to take my freedom. Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, they are embarrassing the judicial system, and the world is watching. Even Judge Janice Brinkley, lawyer, admitted this on tape, saying, I deserve a new trial, and saying he didn't say it. And he is the same lawyer that came to see me during my incarceration and had a full conversation about my case and said he could get me out because he knows my judge. I didn't pay him money, and weeks later, he's my judge's attorney, which is beyond conflict of interest. What judge has a criminal attorney? It's so much more to this story. Almost every judge, sheriff, and clerk in the CJC building know what's going on, but can't speak on it because they can't go against that code. Any expert that knows the facts to my situation knows this is a disgrace to justice. Now, he said, if I had 30 lawyers and a worldwide spotlight shined on my case, this would be over with, and the district attorney's office saying that they're not standing on this corrupt cop's testimony in any case, not mine. If I can't be freed, how can a normal person without fame or money get out of this web when injustice happens? That's the truth. And that's what I said. This is the scariest part about it. They're doing this to Meek Mill. What happens to the Joe Blow who don't rap that she don't like? Who's locked down right now? He ain't getting out on bail. He can't post the bail that they're gonna set for him. What about him? And look at the way the judicial system is set up. Hmm? Look how it's set up. It is designed for the failure. So if it's designed for the failure, what do you think they want you to do? Fail, right? They just built a brand new prison. You think they're not trying to fill it up? and they're targeting a specific group of people, this judicial system is showing you they are trying to be above the law. They want to be judge, jury, and executioner. It's clear to see. So they're making it, I would say, harder on themselves. In other words, they're making it much harder on themselves because in their situation, now they got to toe the line because a lot of people are going to be looking into this corruption. It's a lot of eyes coming into this because now this isn't right. Beyond that, it's way beyond worse than we thought it was. We thought it was just this judge, but it's a whole system that's corrupt. And ego and pride is the last thing to go before the fall. So I'm just hoping he wins his case and it just don't go away, that he helped get these other brothers out that's going through it. And he has my support on this 100%. I'm out.